Welcome to STEM in the South, a groundbreaking initiative at Queens South High Schools. Here, innovation meets career credential learning, hands-on development, and pathways to economic prosperity for our scholars. What's exciting about STEM in the South is that our students have the opportunity to go to schools that they always dreamed of going to, where they love their home school. They get the opportunity to learn and grow and develop skills with students from across the district.
I would definitely recommend STEM in the South to my friends. Like for me, I specifically took software development and I did receive an HTML and CSS certificate. And that's really good to put on your college resume or if you want to start a career that has to do with computer science.
Our unique program offers all students across our 3 districts the opportunity to explore courses leading to certification, internships, high school and college credits, and working with cutting-edge industry partners.
Here on this vehicle, we're just making sure all the electrical connections are in place. We're connecting the lower intake components. And later on, we're going to have to install a battery just to get this car running again. It's just basic electrical diagnosis.
With 14 diverse STEM innovation sites and 16 programs, our students can select courses and pathways tailored to their career and post-secondary aspirations.
I really want to be an engineer because it's like a hands-on thing that I really like to do. Arts and crafts has always been one of my favorite things, and I'd like to incorporate my art into that as well.
The kids who are here, both in this school and in the STEM in the South program, our focus primarily is on helping you to get into a career as a pilot. So once you get into the school, we have 2 machines. We use this one for those who are interested in helicopters. And to my right here, we have another Redbird machine, which is what we use for our fixed-wing training.
Are you curious about AI, automotive technology, culinary arts, aviation, or computer science? We offer these diverse opportunities and more, putting our scholars at the forefront of innovation.
JavaScript coding was something I wanted to try and do, but I wasn't available in my program because I'm in a law academy, so I'll never be able to do JavaScript coding. So I thought this would be a good introduction to maybe how it is and how difficult it is.
We're all athletes, so we don't know nothing about music. So when we made our first song, we were struggling a lot, but we got over time we got it together and we started getting used to recording and making songs.
Currently, our STEM innovation sites are funded through our host school's budget. However, to ensure long-term sustainability of these programs, we're seeking partners like you to join our mission. One of the things I'm always grateful for is the spirit of collegiality and collaboration of my principals. Because they believe in students, because they believe in this vision and this mission. By supporting STEM in the South, you'll be investing in the future of about 24,000 students across 30 high schools. Together, let's empower the next generation of leaders, innovators, and change makers. Join us in shaping the legacy of STEM in the South, planting seeds of excellence. Partner with us today and help us grow and expand these life-changing programs.